Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply buy like past battle pass items on a Valorant using kingdom credits. So select the kingdom credits bit here and select accessories, and here as you can see you can purchase past battle pass accessories like cards, sprays, bundles, and titles with kingdom credits. You can unfortunately purchase past like weapons. You can only like purchase like these. So for instance, you want to purchase the buddy, so you're just going to select it. I think the price depends on the, I don't know like what it depends on, honestly, because when like this one's a buddy and this one's like 5,500, and like this card is like more expensive. I'm not sure why. I think it's because, oh, maybe like of the act, I think. I don't know though. Just select the one that you want to purchase, and then by item. I don't have enough kingdom credit points to earn it. You're just going to simply play a lot of games in Valorant. I think I'm just gonna play more games, I guess, to earn kingdom credits. It does refresh every like 6 days, so like every week they'll have like a new one. Over here it's like wait, is this like 6 days or six? Okay, I think it's 6 days, not hours, but oh, it is 6 hours. Yes, it does refresh every 6 hours, I think, if I'm not mistaken, but it does refresh to like a different accessory if you don't like the ones that they have on display at the moment. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!